Hi, you are a programmer, right? Yes, I am. Can you tell me how many steps are in programming? Sure. There are six steps. What is the first step? First, um, understand the problem and make a plan. As you said, as the second step, we make a flow chart of the program. That's what do you do next? Then we write instruction in a programming language. What is the front step? Um, we comment the program to change into machine code. What come what come after that? Uh, we test and fix the program. And the last step, we prepare the uh, documentation.